Hello students, in this lecture we are going to see how to calculate median for continuous frequency distribution. Let us see how to calculate the median for continuous frequency distribution. Median for continuous frequency distribution. In this case, first we have to find the median class, that is a class in which median lies, or median class also can be defined as a class interval whose less than cumulative frequency just exceeds n by 2. So let L1 to L2 be the median class. Then median m is given by the formula m is equal to L1 plus L2 minus L1 into n by 2 minus Cf divided by f. Here L1 is equal to lower limit of the median class, L2 is the upper limit of the median class, f equal to frequency of the corresponding median class, n equal to total frequency, that is summation f or sigma f. Cf is equal to cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class. This is the cumulative frequency or less than cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class, that is cumulative frequency of the class which is previous to the median class, or in a simple word you can say that cumulative frequency of the pre-median class. This is cumulative frequency of the less than Cf of pre-median class. So a class interval whose less than cumulative frequency just exceeds n by 2 is a median class. In that class median lies, because that cumulative median is the central observation. Central observation only depends on n. If n is odd, then this is just n plus 1 divided by 2. If n is even, then two middle observations we have, n by 2 and n plus 2 by 2. Average of these two middle observations. So this is the formula for the median class. How we can calculate? M is equal to L1, that is lower limit of the median class, plus L2 minus L1. This is the difference between upper limit minus lower limit, that is class width, n by 2 minus Cf. Cf is the less than cumulative frequency of the pre-median class, f is the frequency of the median class. So if you calculate, first calculate this fraction and add it to the lower limit of the median class. You will be more clear by taking an example. So consider the example here. Find the median for the following data. This data is given. Marks is given. Number of students. Marks here name marks. 70 marks exam is taken, and marks scoring between 0 to 10 is 4 students. Marks scoring 10 to 20 is 10 students. Likewise, this is the continuous frequency distribution is given, where this lower limit is included in this class interval, upper limit is excluded in the class interval. A student having marks 10 is included in the class interval 10 to 20, not included in the class interval 0 to 10. So now we are going to see how the median can be calculated for this type of data, that is continuous frequency type of data. So first we have to prepare this table. In this table we have added a new column whose heading is less than CF. Here first we have to take x be the variable. What is x here? X is the marks of the student and f be the frequency. So let solution, let x, what is x? Marks of the students. Marks of the students. F be the frequency, that is number of students. Frequency. In bracket number of students. So this is x here, this is x, class interval, marks is x, this is f, and this is less than CF. See here, how to calculate less than CF here? We have to calculate less than CF as, first we have to see number of students having marks less than 10. Number of students having marks less than 10. How many students are there scoring mark less than 10? 0 to 10 means less than 10 is 4 students are there. Number of students having marks less than 20. How many students are there scoring this upper limit less than 20? Here you may take a new column. Students marks x is less than, or marks x is less than upper limit. Upper limit. Upper limit is what? These are the upper limit. 10, 20, 30, 40 are the upper limits. So first is x is less than, marks is less than 10. How many students are there? 4 students are. Next, x is less than 20. That is marks is less than 20. How many students are there? 20. Less than 20 means what? Less than 20 means less than 10 and in between 20 to 10 to 20. So there are 14 students. 4 plus 10. And number of students scoring marks less than 30. How many students are there? Less than 30 means what? Less than 20 and in between 20 to 30. So how many students are there? This 14 plus this 24. 14 plus this 14. So 28. So adding all these 3. 4 plus 10 plus, that is 14 plus 14. Then next, how many students are there scoring marks? X is marks less than 40. How many students are there? Less than 40 means less than 30 and in between 30 to 40. How many students are there? This 28. This is equal to, how this can be obtained? This is 20 less than 30 plus 30 to 40 plus 12. Plus 12. So how many students are there having marks less than 50? Number of students having marks less than 60. How many students are there? This is 40 plus 8. Less than 40 plus in between 40 to 50. Then number of students scoring marks less than 60. How many students are there less than 60? Less than 60 means less than 50 plus in between 50 to 60. That is, this 50 is equal to 48 plus 6. And lastly, this 58 is equal to number of students scoring marks less than 70 can be calculated as mark scoring addition of all these less than 70. All students are came here. So this is 54 plus 4. This is this 54 plus this 4. In this way we have to calculate this is the less than CF. Now see here, what is the value of n by 2 here? Now what is the n is equal to, here n is equal to, what is the value of n here? Here n is equal to 54. Here n is equal to not 54, here n is equal to 58 is here. Here n is equal to 58, which is even number. Then see here, what is n by 2? Therefore n by 2 is equal to 58 by 2 is 29. Okay, the 58 by 2 is 29. See here, tell me the median class in which the median lies. That is, we have to calculate a class for which less than cumulative frequency just more than 29. So cumulative frequency for this class, first class is 4. Cumulative frequency for the second class is 14. Cumulative frequency for the third class 20 to 30. For this class is 28. Cumulative frequency for this class 30 to 40 is, this is the 40. So this 40 is greater than, just greater than 29. This 40 is just greater than 29. So this is the first class whose cumulative frequency this is the first class from the above whose cumulative frequency just exceeds n by 2. That is, just exceeds means what? Just greater than n by 2. So therefore which one is the median class? Therefore median class is which one is the median class? 30 to 40 is the median class. 30 to 40 is the median class. 30 to 40 is the median class. Then what is the lower limit of this class? This is the median class. See here, this is the median class. This class this is the median class. This class is the median class. So median lies in this class. So here, what is the lower limit of this class? Therefore lower limit of this class is 30. So this is the lower limit. Therefore L1 is equal to 30. L1 is the lower limit of this class. L2 is the upper limit of this class, that is 40. And F equal to frequency of the median class is 12. What is CF? CF is here frequency of the pre-median class. That is a class which is previous to median class. So previous to median class is 20 to 30 and its cumulative frequency is 28. Therefore median M is given by the formula capital M is equal to L1 plus L2 minus L1 into bracket N by 2 minus CF divided by F. This is the formula. So this is equal to, what is the value of L1 here? You may see here L1 is equal to, you may see here L1 is 30, L2 is 40. So this is 30. This is 30 plus L2 minus L1, that is 40 minus 30. N by 2, what is the value of N is? N is 58 by 2 minus what is the value of CF? CF is 28. CF is 28. This is 28 divided by, what is the value of F? F is 12 here. F is 12. F is 12 here. F is 12. So this is equal to 30 plus 40 minus 30 is 10. Here is the product is there into 58 by 2 is 29 minus 28 divided by 12. First we have to calculate this fraction, not add 30 to this 10. First we have to calculate this fraction. So this is 30 plus, this is 10 into 29 minus 28 is 10 into 1 divided by 12. This is equal to, see here, 5 2s are, or 2 5s are, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. So this is equal to 30 plus 5 by 6. Using the simple calculator, you can calculate this value. Using the simple calculator, you can calculate this value. So this is equal to 30 plus 0.8333 and so on. This is equal to 30.8333. This is the median. So median marks n is equal to 30.8333. This is the median. Hope you understand. Thank you, students.